So we've not done an update in a long time. We bought this farm about this time last year, had about a year. Some of that fence was there. We got a poultry palace over there with some automatic brooder boxes and nest boxes indoors, whatever. Got a pretty high pole barn, and then two 40-foot shipping containers, which are a big part of what we're doing. We're still working, but you see we've inset a wall in here. Got a little freezer sitting there. A little bit of decor, but not a whole lot. So this is a work in progress. We want to make this a processing room so we can get licensed to do rabbit processing. So we've got the power box, goes to a generator, little air conditioner, fridge for eggs. Like this isn't our food fridge, this would be for commercial stuff. Freezer, deep freeze. It's got a pork and chop in there, or hogs that we butchered, some vegetables and some chicken we processed. We're experimenting with microgreens. You can't really tell because they're in blackouts, so the seeds in there are sprouting, they're covered up. So you have some fodder up here, and then some radish and peas for us. We have one piece sitting here soaking. We've got a steel cabinet for our seeds. A workout thing that nobody uses. So our plan is to get some water run out here and a septic line, make this floor impermeable, put impermeable walls on here, put all of our shelves on this side, so everything that's over here, put up against that wall, and on this wall run all our water. So 3-compartment sink, hand washing sink, steel table, all that. And then we'll be able to process animals. We got hit smack dab in the middle of wood was expensive. Now here's my man cave. All right. What you doing, buddy? Sorting out nails. So I've got a good friend with a tobacco habit, gives us these tobacco tins. And we just cut off some pipe, screwed them in, and then we can keep all of our screws organized. But we tend to end up throwing them in a bucket, whatever, so William's over here sorting them out. So in this 40-foot high cube, we put 2-foot shelves on this side, and from moving in, it's still not organized, but that's a work in progress. And then 2-foot workbench. Trying to keep everything organized so I can find it's kind of a bear, you know. Our next big organizing project is get this stuff under here sorted. Good job, buddy. So the way we're doing it, we've got these totes, and we put a label here. Excuse me. We put a label here on painter's tape so it comes off easy. And then we've got a little UPS barcode that goes to an app on my phone that I can actually put what's in the containers. But for right now, we're just putting, you know, candle soap, textiles, beekeeping, blank, 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 food storage tools, wine making, camping, you know, plumbing, commo, lighting, electronical, gun stuff, whatever. Beer fridge, that's always important. And then we have some oil lockers. So here's all of William's stuff. This got some miscellaneous tools in there. And then we've got some more military stuff over here. So here's my office. It's supposed to be an ammo shelf, but we can't quite organize. Is that comfortable? Books. Trying to organize them, Dewey Decimal System, but basically in here is fiction, some prepper stuff, but mostly fiction. Computer desk that we built in, But at the time, I didn't have air conditioning, so we did put the computer out here. But we've got one of them Cricut silhouette cutters, you know, whatever. So this will end up being an office once I finish everything. Now, shipping container out in the sun is hot, so we put in one of these hotel type heating air conditioner units. It is cool in this room, and coming into the office, it's comfortable. First third of this space is comfortable, but then we got that big steel door down there, so it gets progressively hotter as you go down, which is why we have all the fans. When we insulate everything, we think that'll go down. Reloading stuff, sort of. Once again, we got hit in a crunch. Can't find any powder. Got plenty of primers, just can't get any more powder. And 300 blackout components. More freezers, right? And then, you know, shelving. One real thing that we like, and you can't get it anymore, is these cardboard can organizers. You just put the stuff in, pull it out from the bottom, it rolls down. So, pretty cool. Lots of stuff planning. Right now we're gonna go get cleaned up because somebody's coming to get the donkey. We're getting rid of the donkey because we've got to figure out how to get animals that make us money or food versus us just having to feed them. So what do you think about that, Biggin?
I want to keep the donkey, but I know we gotta sell it.
Okay. So what all animals do we got right now?
Goats, dogs, pigs, guineas, a donkey, a cow,
Chickens, turkeys.
Ducks. Yeah, turkeys.
Ducks. And big one.
Yeah, the big one. I'm just mess up.
Big one for you.
What, big one for me? I don't get it.
What do you have?
I got a dog.
And they're just out here. Do you not have any rabbits?
Oh yeah, I got rabbits.
Would you like to show people your rabbits?
Yeah.
All right, let's go look at your rabbits. So who are you?
William Tonash.
And what are we doing?
Showing you all the rabbits.
Showing all the rabbits. We're building a lean-to off of this side of the shipping container while that plywood's up there. Got to build a lean-to and then do hanging cages. But right now, we're sort of stuck with what we got. So we have 2 bucks.
All right.
And then what do we have over here?
2
mamas.
Yeah, 2 mamas.
2 does. And then what do we have over here?
We got babies and a mama.
And 1 mama.
The
Some
mama,
babies.
The mama's for the big rabbits is over here.
Yeah.
But the baby rabbits, we put their mama in here. Because the other one, the big rabbits.
And then we've got some that are weaned. And I know this isn't right. This isn't good to have this many rabbits in there. But most of these rabbits are going to disappear next week. They're going to freezer camp. And if it wasn't raining when we got the wood for our lean-to, we would have got cement. And we'd have a lean-to and have these some more hanging cages. But we sort of have to wait on the weather. So William has a couple of rabbits. He has a set.
Yeah.
Which ones are yours?
The black one right there.
The black one.
And then the brown one.
Yeah, he's kind of red-haired. A little orange. I don't know what that's called.
The black one is called blackout, and the red one is red.
So he's got a breeding trio that is his.
Yeah.
And you get to do what you want to with them, right?
Yeah.
Sell them for pets,
Yeah.
right?
Well, yeah.
Yeah. Because he has the colored ones. We try to keep the white ones, but okay. So every day he comes in and feeds them waters. We've got the poop going down into containers. When we get the hanging cages, we're going to have a manure collection and start selling it for fertilizer. And the rabbit urine too, because that's a good foliar fertilizer. You just spray it, you dilute it, and then you spray it directly on leaves. But we've got to get ready for that. So we got some pigs over there, right? We'll show that some other time. All right, so what farm do we live on?
DGW Homestead.
DGW Homestead. All right, so let's go get ready to get rid of this donkey.